ఓకేనా స్టార్ట్ video to rate rate mean rate of reaction defined as a change in concentration of the reactants or products with time. That mean the change in concentration of reactants or product with changing the time is defined as a rate of reaction. So this is also expressed in another manner: the decrease in concentration of reactants with time. Decrease in concentration of reactants with time also rate. Otherwise increase in concentration of reactants with time. So why? Because during the chemical reaction, reactants gives rise to product. With time reactant concentration decreases, concentration of products increases. So that's why the decrease in concentration of reactants or increase in concentration of products with time is also determined as a rate. So here rate is the rate of reaction is defined as change in concentration of reactants or products with time. Mathematical equation for rate is the change. D mean change in concentration of C. C is the concentration, that may be reactant or product generally. So change in concentration of C with respect to change in time is defined as a rate. So rate equal to minus dc by dt. Here minus sign indicates decrease in concentration of reactants. Minus indicates only the sign indicates decrease in the concentration of reactants with the chemical reaction proceeding. And also rate equal to plus dx by dt. Here x is considered as concentration of products. X is considered as concentration of products. So here concentration of products during the reaction increases. So that's why here plus symbol. So plus sign indicates increase in concentration of products. Plus sign indicates increase in concentration of products. So rate can be expressed in terms of reactant or in terms of products. Any manner we can explain. So here minus indicates decrease in concentration of reactants. Plus indicates increase in concentration of products. Consider a chemical reaction. A plus B gives rise to C plus D. This is a reaction. Here rate we can express with respect to A, with respect to B, with respect to C, with respect to D. That means rate can be expressed with respect to any term of reactant or product. It may be reactant or product. By the any term we can express the rate. So rate equal to minus d of concentration of A square bracket minus d of concentration of A by dt. That mean minus mean decrease in concentration of reactants. Reactants here A and B are reactants. Their concentration will be decreases during the time. So minus d of A by dt or minus dB by dt, concentration of dB by dt, or plus C. C mean concentration of product C. So plus d of concentration of C by dt or plus concentration of d by dt, concentration of change in concentration of d product by dt. So for the reactants minus sign, for the products plus sign. So products concentration increases, so plus, reactant concentration decreases, so minus. So this is the rate, mathematical rate. This is the mathematical rate for the given reaction. Some examples for rate expression. Real examples: consider the following reaction: PCl5 gives rise to PCl3 and Cl2. Phosphorus pentachloride gives to phosphorus trichloride and chlorine gas. So express the rate of the reaction. Here rate equal to minus d of PCl5 by dt, and for with respect to PCl3 rate plus concentration of PCl3 by dt. With respect to chlorine, the rate equal to plus d of concentration of chlorine by dt. These are in square brackets, we can write. So with respect to PCl5, this is the rate expression. With respect to PCl3, this is the rate expression. With respect to chlorine, this is the rate expression. So the rate with respect to rate, each terms are in equal. Each terms are in equal. So rate the decrease in concentration of PCl5 with respect to time equal to increase in concentration of PCl3 with respect to time is equal to increase in concentration of chlorine 2 with respect to dt. In this particular reaction here, constant stoichiometric coefficients are all are equal 1 1 1, mean all are equal. In such case we can express like this. If sometimes so the stoichiometric coefficients number of moles are different, for example ammonia formation reaction, here N2 gas, 1 mole of N2 gas, 1 mole of N2 gas react with 3 moles of H2 gas to form 2 moles of ammonia, in such case. So here terms if you see, minus d with respect to hydrogen, minus d of H2 dt, minus d of H2 by dt, it represents the decrease in concentration of H2 with respect to time. Otherwise the rate of disappearance of H2 with time. Here hydrogen concentration decreases, so hydrogen rate also decreases. So here this indicates, this term indicates, d of H2 by dt indicates decrease in concentration of H2 with time, or the rate of disappearance of H2 with time. Otherwise the rate of change of concentration of H2 with time. So then here with respect to stoichiometric coefficients, here 3 are there, then this 3 also includes in the rate expression. If you see, the d of H2 by dt into 1 by third, d of H2 by dt into 1 by third, it represents a rate of the reaction with respect to time, rate with respect to hydrogen, Similarly for nitrogen, also d of ammonia by dt, this is the rate. Here if you write minus, this is the product, so we can write plus. So this indicates the increase in concentration of ammonia with time, the rate of appearance or rate of formation of ammonia, because ammonia is the product. During the reaction it can be appear or it can be form. So this indicates increase in concentration of ammonia, or rate of appearance of ammonia, or rate of formation of ammonia. Next the rate of change in concentration of ammonia, also the same symbol. Then with concentration terms, if you see the moles, here number of moles of ammonia in balanced equation, there are 2 moles of ammonia is forming. So here we can write d of NH3 by d2 into half. The stoichiometric coefficient should be come under denominator. So it's d of ammonia by d2 into half represents the rate of reaction, the rate with respect to ammonia. So overall rate expression for ammonia formation reaction, minus d of N2 by dt equal to minus d of H2 by dt into 1 by 3. So the stoichiometric moles will be come to denominator equal to d of ammonia by dt into half. So these values come under denominator. Next to next example, the decomposition of H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide when decomposed to give H2O and half O2. So rate expression C, rate of reaction for this expression, d minus d of H2O2 by dt equal to plus d of H2O by d2 plus dO2 by d2 into 2. Here already the mole is half moles, so it will become into 2. So Here minus mean the reactant concentration of reactant H2O2 decreases, and concentration of products water and O2 are products, they have plus symbol mean their concentrations increases. Here if we observe the decrease in concentration of H2O2, the decrease in rate of concentration of H2O2 is equal to increase in concentration of H2O2, increase in concentration of H2O2, or rate of increase in concentration of H2O2. At the same time, the decrease in concentration of rate of disappearance of H2O2 is equal to 2 times of rate of appearance of O2. The rate of decrease in disappearance of H2O2 is appearance of H2O rate, or rate of disappearance of H2O2 is equal to 2 times of appearance of O2, 2 times of appearance of O2. Here also the rate of disappearance of N2 is 1/3 of rate of disappearance of H2. Otherwise, the rate of disappearance of N2 with respect to ammonia, if you see, the rate of disappearance of nitrogen is equal to half of the rate of appearance of ammonia, rate of appearance of